Hi all, welcome back to another session on web methods. So in this session, I wanted to show how you can run your integration server using Docker. So for this purpose, I have installed Docker Desktop in my system and I've started the Docker engine. And then I'll be using the images available in the Docker Hub to Alexa download pull the image and then run the integration server. So let's see how that can be done. So I've downloaded the Docker desktop, Docker in my system, and then you can download it from, like say, if you Google it's Docker, then you can just go and download the Docker from there. So it's like just type it as Docker. And then you can download the Google Docker desktop in this. And once you download and then run the, like say, once it is installed successfully, then you will be able to see this page, which gives you all these details. Now, what I'll do is I'll search the images and I'll go for web methods. So in this, I wanted to go and download any one of the available ones. So previously I used this one. This has the valid license file and all you need to do is just click on pull, and if you wait for some time, once the progress reaches to 100%, the image will be there and you can run the Docker image, and that will spin up an integration server in the background, and you using one image you can spin multiple containers. Once the Docker image is pulled successfully, you can see that in the images section. Then what you can now do is to run the image. So you can just click on run and it will spin up a container. You can give the name or it will take the random name. I'll give it as my name. If you don't give any ports here, it takes the random ports, and whenever you restart the servers, it will generate the random ports and all. So I'll give some port number here and then click on run. So once you give those details and click on run, so the container will be spinning up in the background and it will run a new instance. And parallelly, you will be able to see the logs also here. See, the logs are also, it started spinning up. So integration server have spun up and we got the integration server running in 2024 port. And now I'm logging in. So now integration server has started on 2024 port and it has all the default packages. So it will have the default packages, default WM and all the WM related packages in this. And once that is done, I'll go to my designer and see. My designer is also able to connect to 2024 port. Now what I'll do as an example is, since I got my server up and running, the container one, what I wanted to do is I wanted to send this PDF email package to container. So for that, I have uh, taken a zip file of it, like say exported this package. When we export from server, it comes as a zip file. So I've exported that, already exported there. And now what I'll do is I'll open my command prompt. So we wanted to move the files from Windows system to Linux system. So first I'll see what are the images running. So for that you need to just type Docker images. It will show you the Docker images available there. Yeah, that's our Docker image. And if you wanted to see if this it is running or not, just type Docker PS. It will show you when it last ran and those details and what's the version of it and what's the port it is running on and all these details. Then this is our container name. So now what I wanted to do is I wanted to copy the file to one of the location. Yeah. So this is in FF. So it's in FF slash. I just wanted to get the, yeah. So for this, I will use Docker CP space our file name space container name and where I wanted to place the container name. I wanted to place it inside slash opt slash software AG integration server instances default replicate inbound and done. So the file is successfully copied to that location. Now if I go to my management and then install, I can directly go and install the release. So yeah, PDF email has come. So the service package is installed in the container now. If I just refresh this container, I should see the PDF email package. So the PDF email, the package is like it sends the PDF attachment. For that, the input is get file. So that location that takes the PDF input. So for that, what I need to do is I wanted to place this file in um, the location of location accessible by the container. Let's say it as WEA samples. Same thing again. It's Docker CP space PDF. I will place it in the software AG folder itself. Yeah. And then just enter. So I've copied the file into that location. So I go to my go to the back end of the container. I should see the location. So here we got the file and it accepts the get file as the file location of the package where it is. And if I now see in OPT software AG, the WM EDI samples .pdf got copied. So I'll just run this. Run. I'll just give OPT software AG this thing. Yeah. And click OK. So now the service is running inside the container and it has sent me an email also. So if I go to my Gmail where it has sent, I should already receive the email. See, the email got triggered and I can see the package service that got invoked and it sent me an email. So this is how you install integration server and using Docker and then import the packages from your local system to container and then execute a service. Thank you.